Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a digital photo frame that is going to be perfect for showing off your memories. Whether they are photos or videos, it can do both. But this one also has a twist because it will also show you your temperature, air quality, and a little snapshot of what it's like right by the unit. So this was sent over by a company called NearHub. It's going to come in this box right here. You're obviously going to get a user manual, quick start guide. We're covering all the features. You're also going to get this little baggie with a pin in it that's similar to what you get with a cell phone. This is in case you ever need to reset the device itself, get it back to its factory settings. Now, as far as the frame itself, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's got a nice little wide white frame around it, and then you have your screen right there in the middle. It acts as its frame itself. It doesn't need an additional stand or anything like that. Now, I'll give you an idea of the overall size. It is about 10.5 inches wide. It is about 7.25 inches in height and about 2 inches in depth. Now, as far as the screen in the middle, it is an LCD screen with an IPS screen. It is 1280 by 800 when it comes to the resolution. Now, you can have this, as I'm showing right here, in landscape mode, or if you wish to rotate it, it will automatically turn into portrait mode. So depending on your space arrangement or whether you have more landscape photos versus vertical photos, you can basically pick your orientation. Now, it does have, via the settings in the app, you can go ahead and maximize the photo so it fits to frame, or you can go ahead and have it shrink where it's blurred on the sides. It's kind of up to you, whatever display you like the best. Now, there are two little screw holes in the back. If you have some type of bracket system and you wish to mount this, it's not included, but you can do that. They give you that option. I just basically use it as a stand. Now, if you are displaying any videos, they do have two speakers on the side or the top configuration, so that way you can go ahead and hear the audio. Now, you're gonna see that purple bar there on the side and on the top. That is gonna be how you're going to control the various settings. So when it's in landscape mode, simply rotating at the top is gonna go ahead and change through the photos. As you can see, I have a bunch of puppies here. It's very easy, just go ahead and swipe. Now, you can, obviously it's just gonna rotate naturally, and you can change how often that rotation, but if you wanna go ahead and get to a specific photo or video, you can do that by controlling it at the top. Now, the side is gonna go ahead and change to your air monitor qualities. When it's doing the photos, you'll notice the little thin bar is on the side, but if you wanna see it larger, you can go ahead and swipe, and you're gonna notice it's gonna have a big screen here, and that's gonna tell you your parts per million as far as your air quality. Obviously, green is better, red is worse. Then you're gonna have your temperature and then your humidity levels. If you rotate it, once again, now the top is going to be your photos, and the side is going to be as far as switching between those modes. So it's very easy to control and edit, once again, to making your selection on what you want. Now, everything is easy to load. It has a total of 32 gigabits of memory built into it. So that's gonna give you about 40,000 photos. Ton of photos. Obviously, that's gonna change slightly depending on your photo sizes and how many videos you're putting on there. But the point is, you're gonna get lots of digital content on here for display, which is pretty awesome. You're gonna load everything through the NearHub Go app, which you can get in all the major stores, to go ahead and just download and connect to the frame. Super easy to utilize. It's just gonna connect over Wi-Fi, and then you can just go ahead and send everything over. There is no built-in SD card or anything like that. Everything is transferred via that app. But overall, it is a really cool picture frame. I like how it's just its basic stand. It also gives you that air quality monitor, and it's very easy to control and load those photos. So if you are looking for a really nice digital frame, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.